Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing unicorn slime. So I have two slimes. This is my tiny slime. Wait, no, I actually have three, but one's really small. So I'm making unicorn poop slime with these three slime. This is a foam bead one, so it will add some texture. My twinsy slime. I'm sad to get rid of this one. Me and my BFF made it. Oh, my cousin BFF. What else? Okay, and this is my pink fluffy slime I made with my BFF. Okay, let's add. Alright, I don't need the bowl. Why did I put the bowl? Okay. Sorry, I flipped the camera. Wait, what? Okay. My God. I'm sorry it's like that. I don't know what's going on. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just gonna go like that. I am sorry about how it is. It's just how my camera is. Mixing them. No, I got rid of my twinsy slime. Look at that, guys. It is so pretty. This is gorgeous. I hope it makes the color my twinsy slime was. Probably does. Because the twinsy slime is the biggest. Not that stretchy, but I'm okay with that.
Oh, Pops, you downstairs still?
Yeah. Sorry about that. Well, that's it for my unicorn poop video. Yay! It turned out awesome because it turned out clean. Make sure you give a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and share.